How to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone. So let's get started. The best way to transfer data from one iPhone to another is with EasyOS Movie Mover. EasyOS Movie Mover is an iOS data transfer tool that can help you transfer data from iPhone to iPhone, including photos, videos, audio files, contacts, ringtones, books, notes, messages, and even podcasts without deleting existing files on the target device. So first, all you have to do is download the Ease OS Movie Mover Pro and connect two iPhones to your computer, PC, Mac, laptop with compatible USB cables and tap on the Trust This Computer on the devices to continue. Now run Ease US Movie Mover and navigate to the phone to phone. And next you need to determine the direction from the source iPhone name to the destination iPhone name and then click next to continue.